Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading options trading platform for cryptos. I think nowadays the cryptos are slightly down because of this Coinbase issue, but I think things will get settled in the next few days. I think today itself Bitcoin started moving slightly higher, Ethereum is slightly down. So let us come back to our stock market, and Nifty it opened slightly lower than what SGX Nifty indicated, and today the two surprising things. One, before the market, and we thought banking stocks will do well. That's because HDFC Bank ADR was up by 1.5%, and HDFC Bank is a key banking stock. But unfortunately, the banking stocks were under pressure since morning. At some point of time, I was just checking all the sectors, and all the sectors were in green except banking. And towards the end, even the financials came slightly red, and Pharma also slightly red. And throughout the day, it was a huge outperformance by IT index. At some point of time, I saw TCS, Infosys and HCL Technology, these three alone contributing about 40 points for Nifty rally. Whereas HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are dragging the market down. So that was really surprising, because I thought today consumer price inflation data is actually expected to be lower, and usually in that kind of scenario banking stock should do well. And at 5:30 the consumer price inflation data came. Last month it was 4.7%. This month it was expected 4.45, but it came at 4.25. It's lower than what was expected. And the RBI comfort range is 4% plus or minus 2%. So the 4% is the median one. So I think we are heading towards there. So we'll not be surprised if there is some kind of a rate cut in the next RBI policy in 2 months down the lane. And it all depends on many other factors and global things also. So, but we are well on track for a lower inflation ahead. So that is really something good. So this is one of the reasons why I am expecting a big bull run in the next few months. So by looking at the open interest, I told you already, 2 days markets fell, people became bearish, they sold call options, and today market moved higher. So there was an unwinding in call options, 18,600 call, 18,700 call, there was unwinding, and of course there was a huge addition of open interest at 18,600 put and 18,500 put. So these are all the weekly options, speculators take a lot of positions. But other than that, it's very simple. What I've been saying for the last 3 weeks, the same thing only I'm going to say once again now. And Nifty short term for this week, the range is 18,500 to 19,000. For the month, the Nifty range is 18,000 to 19,000. And this is what I've been telling you every day. I think we have 12 more trading sessions for this expiry. I think I will continue to tell the same thing for the next 12 trading sessions. So markets are just consolidating, and the first trading session shot up, then after that not going anywhere. So of course people who sold 18,000 put and 19,000 call are sitting down happily making some slow profits. So European markets were higher, US futures are also higher, and here another surprise is that FIIs are on the sell mode. On Friday I thought it was because of Kotak Bank, but today once again they have sold for 626 crores, and however the domestic institutions have bought for almost 3 times of that amount. So still institutional flow is positive, and that is something good. But however, if FIIs start selling continuously, that will be a concern. So as I told you, the consumer inflation data is also lower than expected. So if US markets close in green as indicated by the futures, and tomorrow we are likely to move higher. So one good thing is that today Nifty closed above 18,600. And so we would have been more happy if Nifty future closed above 18,700, but it closed slightly lower. But in between, it made 2 or 3 attempts to cross 18,700. So anyway, so it's a consolidation month, and people who sold Strangle and Straddle, so they are making good money. So it's good to see that people are making money. I think after a long time today, the intraday short sellers also made some good money. And though it was volatile, but it was volatile within a range. So rest of the things we will see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.